Hi everyone, my name is Daniel. Welcome to Thuong Nguyen Woodworking Machinery. Today I want to introduce to you one drilling machine. So I have this workpiece right here. This one is used to stabilize a chair and its legs or a table and its legs. And this machine will drill this hole right here so that we can put some screw on it. Alright, so we have another unit here. It's very similar to the other one, but this one has 3 motors and 3 drilling spindle. This one is specialized to make this. Its functionality is the same as the other one. Okay, let's see how this machine functions. Alright, so thank you for watching. So if you have any questions about woodworking machinery, please contact us and we'll give you more information. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.